Ghana is planning to supply electricity to the entire country, making sure everyone gets electricity regardless if you are in the rural area or the urban centers. And this project we are about to talk about is how this will be possible. Ghana is investing in the renewable energy sector to ensure electricity supply is constant and never fluctuates. Now, let's get into the details. So today we are diving into Ghana's renewable energy journey, specifically focusing on the highly anticipated 40 megawatt solar power plant set to be constructed at TheseGhana in the Greater Accra region. So stick around as we break down all the details about the solar power plant, its specific importance, and how it fits into Ghana's broader energy ambitions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates on Ghana's developmental journey. Let's get right into it. After delays caused by the COVID-19 pandemic, this transformative energy project is back on track with construction expected to begin in late 2025. The project is not just about generating electricity, it's part of a bigger plan under Ghana's Energy Transition and Investment Plan to achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2060. The TheseGhana Solar Project is a 40 megawatt solar power initiative located near the Dawa Industrial Zone in the Greater Accra region. This project is critical for two reasons. For renewable energy development, as Ghana is focusing on renewable energy to diversify its energy mix, reduce dependence on fossil fuels and combat climate change, and also its strategic location, as the project's proximity to high voltage distributions in TheseGhana makes it an ideal location for quick and efficient grid integration. Additionally, the nearby Dawa Industrial Zone is set to benefit from the renewable energy supply, boosting economic activity in the region. The TheseGhana Solar Project is part of a larger vision under Ghana's Energy Transition and Investment Plan. This plan aims to achieve net zero energy-related carbon emissions by 2060, aligning with global efforts to combat climate change. Like many projects nationwide, the TheseGhana Solar Project faced delays due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Lockdowns and restrictions in 2020 disrupted timelines, forcing stakeholders to revisit their plans. However, progress is now back on track. The Danish renewable energy company Renergy Solar, which is spearheading the project, announced that it is in the process of renewing all regulatory and statutory commitments required to kickstart construction. Speaking to the Ghana News Agency in December 2024, the company's CEO, Mats Vestergaard, confirmed that construction of the first 20 megawatts phase is expected to begin in late 2025, with the second phase to follow shortly. One of the standout features of the TheseGhana Solar Project is its location. As already mentioned, situated near high voltage and distribution lines, the site allows for seamless integration into Ghana's national grid. In recent statements, the CEO highlighted the importance of this strategic location. We are very close to the high voltage and distribution lines in TheseGhana, making it easy to connect to the grid. As part of our plans, we have completed the grid studies, environmental assessments, and technical evaluations to ensure smooth project launch. The company has now also finalized critical preparatory works, including the offtake agreement, which ensures a buyer for the electricity generated. Financial closure for the project is anticipated during the first half of 2025, with engineering work set to commence by the end of that year. The TheseGhana Solar Project is not just a standalone initiative, it's part of Ghana's broader energy strategy. The country's Energy Transition and Investment Plan outlines a pathways to achieve net zero. According to Seth Mahon, Director of Renewable Energy at the Ministry of Energy, this plan represents a $550 billion investment opportunity. Valued in dollars, international investors have a critical role to play in supporting Ghana's energy transition, and projects like the TheseGhana Solar Plant are paving the way for more sustainable development. Mahu further emphasized the potential for job creation, stating that the Energy Transition and Investment Plan could generate at least 400,000 jobs in various sectors, from construction to operations and maintenance. Currently, Ghana boasts an electricity access rate of 86.63%, which translates to 9 out of 10 urban residents having access to electricity, 5 out of 10 rural residents connected to the national grid. Despite this impressive progress, there is still work to be done, particularly in rural areas. The Ministry of Energy has set ambitious goals to harness 10% of the country's renewable energy resource by 2030. This is part of Ghana's commitment to Sustainable Development Goal 7, which aims to ensure access to affordable, reliable, and sustainable energy for all. Projects like the TheseGhana solar plant are critical to achieving this vision. By providing clean, renewable energy, the project will help consolidate Ghana's energy security while reducing the environmental impact of electricity generation. One of the defining features of the TheseGhana solar project is its reliance on private partnerships. Greenergy Solar, the Danish renewable energy company, which is leading the project, is bringing international expertise and investment to Ghana's energy sector. Private sector involvement is essential for unlocking Ghana's renewable energy potential. By collaborating with international investors and companies, Ghana can leverage advanced technology, financial resources, and technical expertise to accelerate its energy transition. While the primary goal of the TheseGhana solar project is to generate renewable energy, its benefits extend beyond electricity production. Here are some broader impacts. The project will provide a reliable energy supply to the Dawa industrial zone, supporting businesses and creating jobs in the area. For construction to operations, the project is expected to create thousands of jobs as well, contributing to the local economy. And by reducing Ghana's reliance on fossil fuels, the project will help lower greenhouse emissions, contributing to global efforts to combat climate change. Renewable energy projects like this one enhances Ghana's energy security by diversifying the country's energy mix and reducing dependence on imported fuels. The TheseGhana solar project offers valuable lessons for other renewable energy initiatives in Ghana and across Africa. Key takeaways include the importance of strategic planning. Despite the delays caused by the COVID-19, careful planning and stakeholder engagement have ensured that the project remains on track. And also, collaboration has been key, with the partnership between Greenergy Solar and the Ghanaian government highlighting the importance of international cooperation in achieving sustainable development goals. Now, the long-term vision aligns with Ghana's long-term vision of achieving net zero carbon emission by 2060, demonstrating the importance of integrating renewable energy into national development plans. The 40-megawatt TheseGhana solar project is more than just a renewable energy initiative. It's a symbol of Ghana's commitment to sustainability, innovation, and economic growth. With construction set to begin late in 2025, this project represents a significant step forward in Ghana's energy transition journey. By providing clean, reliable energy to the national grid and supporting economic activities in Dawa Industrial Zone, the TheseGhana solar project promises to benefit communities, businesses, and the environment alike. If you found this update informative, don't forget to like this video, share across platforms, and subscribe to this channel for more insights into Ghana's developmental projects. Let us know in the comment section your thoughts on this project. How do you think it will shape up Ghana's future? And before you go, check out our next video on Ghana's top renewable energy initiatives that will blow your mind. Thanks for watching, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.